Hello all, here's a quick tour of our facility here in Cary, Illinois. Illinois Lift Equipment and Viper lift trucks. So as we walk in here through the front doors, you see our decal and our facility location, 640 Industrial Drive. We are also accredited by the BBB. So as you walk in, here is our logo, Viper lift trucks, a couple of our offices, waiting area right here, a couple of Vipers on display. And then as you walk in through these doors, here is one of our Viper showrooms where we do photos of our equipment. Here's a couple units. And then as we walk in here through this door, here is our main facility where we do all the service work, paint work, and stock up most of our facilities, most of our units. So over here we have 2 wash bays where the equipment comes in when it's receiving an inspection report, gets a steam clean in the engine so we can get a better look at what may be going on, what may be leaking. So here's one. Here's a second one. Big logo of our facility here, Illinois Lift Equipment. And as we walk over there in that direction, that's where we have our parts department, where we stock most of our parts for our Vipers and parts that come in for some of the units that our mechanics are working on during the servicing process. So as you see here, here's some of our units that are currently going through the final inspection area. We have our master tech right there taking a look at the equipment before it ships out. One of the units that is currently getting ready to ship out. Over here we have 2 mechanics bays where they do the inspection and service process. Over here we have our outdoor loading docks, ramps for equipment shipping out. Over here we have all of our forks that we stock up. So a lot of our forklifts. All these forklifts down here are forklifts that are about to ship out to our previous customers. Over here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 paint booths. We do full paint jobs, minor cosmetic touch-ups here for our equipment. Here's a couple machines that are currently, receiving fresh paint and are about to go into paint as well. They receive full paint job, sandblast, anything that is needed for the equipment. Over here are a couple of more service bays for our mechanics. This is a lot of the customers who have purchased equipment already and is currently going through that prep service process. So here's where the equipment ends up. Once it is in a mechanic's bay, prep it, get it ready for shipment. Then out here, this is where we stock up most of our bigger forklifts, telehandlers, and boom lifts. So we carry from smaller, 30 feet electrics all the way to 86-foot electrics, and smaller 5,500-pound telehandlers all the way up to 15,000-pound telehandlers. So all of our equipment is located here in our facility in Cary, Illinois. We are a nationwide dealer as well as a wholesaler as well. We also do sell skid steers that we just got into. So as mentioned, here is a look of our yard.